guys, thank you and welcome back to our channel NAIPO Pro. In today's video, I would like to show you how do I make the half of the wall all mirror. So when I do exercise, I can actually see myself building up muscle. Yay! Let's get it started. Oh, by the way, this video is not sponsored by any sort of commercial and advertisement. I pay for myself and I bought all the mirror from Amazon. Now let me get to work and let's get it started. The last step is to make sure I erase all my fingerprints. I want the mirror to be spotless. So the best way for me to do it is just using some alcohol swab and any tissue you have. Don't look down on this tiny piece of alcohol swab. It's still moist. And I'm treating this mirror like the front of my iPhone that gotta be spotless. I don't want to even see a tiny dot. I want my dummy to stay here because sometimes when I'm doing exercise, and I just want to give him some punches, and he will never get mad at me. Now I want to bring you to a closer look at my mirror and my work. And then that nice, left to right, top to the middle. Right here. Now you also can see, this is my iPhone. And I do not have a very expensive camera or fancy lenses, not even a mic. All I'm using to record this video is my iPhone. Thumbs up. My mission has accomplished today. Now if you like the mirror from behind, I'm including a affiliated link from Amazon. We get a tiny bit of commission from that link. Till the next time, thank you so much for watching us. And don't forget, before you leave, please like and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye, have a great day. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the brightest among them all? Is it me? Of course it's you. Happy New Year, guys. Thanks for watching.